Congratulations! You've taken an important step toward getting more out of life with better hearing. Let's open the box and learn all about your new devices. Inside, you will find everything you need to get started, including one pair of Fio hearing aids, ear tips, wax guards, and the replacement tool, a cleaning tool, your charging case and charging cable, as well as user manuals. Before trying on your hearing aids, let's get to know your Fio. Each hearing aid has charging contacts, an ear tip, wax stop, and a pull cord that allows you to easily insert and remove the hearing aid from your ear. Your Fio comes partially charged, but for the best experience, you'll need to charge it fully using the included USB-C cable. Plug one end of your cable into the back of your charging case and the other end into a power source. Our case holds 4 charges for up to 64 hours of total use. Place the Fio in its case with the pull string facing upward and to the middle of the case. Notice there are 3 sets of light indicators. The lower set of lights indicates the amount the charging case is charged, while the upper left and right lights indicate the amount the hearing aids have charged. When fully charged, 4 lights will appear. When your hearing aids are charged, leave them docked to connect to the app to customize your hearing experience. It may take some time to get used to the process of putting on your hearing aids, so practice until it becomes natural. There can be feedback or whistling if your hearing aids are not fully inserted, or you do not have a good seal. First, remove the Fio from the case using the clear pull cord attached to the hearing aids. Gently push the hearing aid into the ear canal with the pull cord facing down. The device should sit entirely in your ear canal. We recommend wearing your aids for 4 to 6 hours a day to start and working up to 8 hours a day for the first week. To remove, lift the Fio by the pull cord and pull it from your ear. Place your hearing aids back in their charging case. Doing so will turn them off. Your aids have a wax guard in the tip to prevent wax from getting inside the device. You should check daily for any obstruction. If you see wax inside, you can replace it by following these steps. First, remove the ear tip from your aid. Next, using the wax guard tool, insert the star-shaped removal end into the used wax stop. Pull the tool up to remove the used wax guard. Turn the tool over to place the new wax guard on the tip and press firmly into place. You're done. When choosing an ear tip, it is best to start off with the one most typically suited for your level of loss. If you feel you have a greater loss, then start with the closed tip. If you feel that your loss is more mild, we suggest you start with the vented ear tip first. If you're experiencing high-pitched noises, or if your hearing sounds muffled, you may need to change the tip. Experiment until you're hearing clearly for your environment. You can always reach out to a Lucid Hearing customer service representative for support. To change the tip, begin by holding the hearing aid. Gently pull on the tip until it comes off. You may need to twist it using a back and forth motion. Next, align the new tip with the dome facing outward and press the new tip on until the wax stop is flush with the entrance to the dome tip.